If you cook stew peas for your guy, he will never tell another lie. I know it's true. You know what stew peas can do. If you cook stew peas, you better cook it right. And he'll never come home late at night. I know it's true. What stew peas can do. It's like a roll.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
What's starting up? Right now, let me change my shirt. Alright. Hey, I change the shirt. Yeah, how you put it right there? That's the position. Yeah. You would have wait for now. One hour. $10 ratios. Yeah, but I know say me and my friend on Facebook, I never know say your son.
Oh, you know, remember? When you go, yeah, them the liquor. Remember two of them, the girl.
Yeah, and the liquor. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, not a good guy. You don't know. What we have here? Food shop or we have food shop here? Yeah, one way you have in the shop. One way you sell in the shop. You know we have to get the magazine, so they're on a good life.
Tickets soon, you know, when you do everything finished.
Everything finished. So good life come late. See you there, man. Big up yourself.
One big head split. One shot around before the game and a big head split. Long time we know that.
Yeah, I watch, you know. Yeah, I watch.
Watch out first and I know it then. A people if the coach are come on.
Yeah.
Carry on to tell Kevin, say Kevin, we're going to do a thing. Yeah. And dead people there.
Yeah. Run out on them.
That's a rum. One shot of rum. In the world I talk about rum now. One shot of rum.
Kevin, you don't know now, we're going to circle. We're go over the train side and go and take two flex in the place.
Alright, but then
you got yourself, Yes, man. How do this? I like the goes to this.
Like a second street, you know. No, man, let me tell you, man, a second street. Second street, the girl them sit on the shop there and stuff. And the house there, they were.
Sorry. What that center your name again?
My center, Ali.
Operation, some.
Ali! Oh, Marvin.
Trenchtown Rock. Can't watch that.
Yeah, man, catch fish on the wall, man.
The Trenchtown, no.
Yeah, man. See it, yeah. Yeah, man, good life. I just say it, man. Yeah. Big man, dog.
Tata.
Them man, I set it in a Trenchtown Rock.
Marley. Go watch that.
Tata, Peter Tosh, Bob Marley. My brother, yeah, him, them say Bob Marley. Yeah. Martha Plano. Yeah, him them say start the thing, yeah? Yeah.
Bunny Wheeler.
Only wheel, you know. Can't left out the legend, you know, yeah?
Yeah.
Them man, I set it, you know.
I was
Now, for big up all the artists who do it, you know. It's a Robinson, you know.
Lydic
Lydic
Bruce.
Bruce. Big man himself.
Big man
I man, I set
himself.
it, you know, the man, yo. Trenchtown.
I was for that first street, that?
Man, have a debate for which party, you know.
Second street is blood cake.
First street.
No, man, first street, that one.
And I must say, I don't know first street.
For you see the house there.
Brother Joe, brother Joe.
Yeah,
to blood.
yeah, that means that's a 40
Yeah.
blood. So the girl them chap yeah, so, but yeah, and when they come to that gate, yeah, you come to yourself, you know, so cut it on the down, yeah, so. Cut it on the right, yeah, so.
Yeah, that's how, yeah.
Yeah, cut it on.
I true, man, first street, that man.
Yeah, man.
Brother Joe.
Yeah, they say good life there, you see it.
Yeah.
So we
You don't know you do your work, you see it.
So we know say we are Trenchtown, man.
One son.
Can't know this a picture.
Yeah. Rosa Rose.
Yeah, we have
Foundation, man.
We are foundation, man.
So you know, so Rosa Rose face, I'm going to go up on that in the future. One son. Pallet. Hold the pallet. Hold the pallet. Pallet man himself. So you come and find.
One son.
Just say one son.
Not one son again, two son.
Two son.
So
you come on for the work.
Yeah, one son again.
Test the road right time. Second son.
Oh, one more there.
We go on some pallet.
My brother bigger than him too.
I saw him Trenchtown, watch it.
Yeah, live good. Yeah.
Now go
So we have to live good.
So we see.
Yeah. Man, one son.
Yeah, man.
Always on it. Always on it, one son. Now stop.
Our culture, our first street.
I just talk about
Brother Joe Yard, man.
Brother Joe Yard.
No, like any man know that children no,
Born and grow.
Good life.
Good life.
Let me talk about the good life. All people talk about the good life.
Yeah, man, the good life. Yeah. Rosa, so what them say about the good life, Rosa Rose?
Rosa.
Rose.
If you cook soupies for your guy, he will never tell another lie. I know it's true. You know what soupies can do. If you cook soupies, you better cook it right. And he'll never come home late at night. I know it's true. What soupies can do. It's like a roll. Them tie you with it. Pull up. Like a rope. They must feel so in a joke thing with tune and them. Oh yeah. Well, before me go any further, big up the hot gal them. Oh yeah. Yes, before me go any further, me a go start. If me and a girl there, tell her don't break my heart. Cause if she give me bun, me and her left to bumbo clap. left to bumbo clap. I'll tell you.
Nah, one tire back. You see me, go through the door, shuffle, lock it back.
We must share the bleaching cream. Make your skin clean like flat screen. Where there is black, rub it there.
Wait there. Rub it there. Aye, so nice. In Trenchtown.
Good life, man.
Good life.
You know?
It's how we live a good life in Trench
Yeah,
Town.
you matter about the woman, them, you know?
Yeah.
Cause you say,
You see the woman, man biggest problem. No matter how you try to please them, woman, man biggest problem. But I had you try to beat them. In our day, me did have problem. Never have nobody to help me solve them. Me ride me under 50 to take Dr. Ken, you know the old psychiatrist out and me. When him psych me, you come, him say, Ross, you again. Me say, yes, Dr. Ken, me have a dirty problem. Him say, alright, sit down and let me question them. Then him back out a book and pen and this is money. Me say money, you know for me problem. Yo, bad around here. Good life.
Good life.
Yeah.
Give them a dance now, Ali. Give them a sample walk.
Food sick, you know, cause some can't.
Hey, say my one name Dragon Stout.
Oh, so you come and meet them and just say there.
So they hear me a call a long time. Yeah, sleep.
Sleep too much, man. Good life.
Good life. Sleep too much.
Good life, can you sleep too much?
There's some girls in our clothes, but the clothes are not for them. And them boot too tight, cause the boot are not for them. And them have 3 man, yeah. None of them are not for them. Alright.
So
I wanna know.
definitely want to know who for them. Who for them.
Water with wow.
Water with wow.
Good life, you know, water with wow. We think of the girl named Candy. You hear that?
And Jack and Furred. With that wow.
Dum dum, dum dum, dum 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 dum. You say the good as body girl them, say me love them, me forget one of them. And the hot body girl them, say me love them, me forget one of them. Any man can get one, any man can get one, for you have your money. Any man can get one, any man can get one, for you have your money. Any man can get one, any man can get one, from you have your money.
Hold on. Oh my day. Down the road.
Yeah, so we're going down the road.
Yeah.
We're going down the road.
So me want to say there. The man come out come see now.
Yeah. Zoom. Yeah.
Not sleep, man. Oh, black! If I get the Corolla, you eat the stupid.
If you get Corolla and you eat 2 pieces of the thing in it, the long thing, you chop up.
Yeah.
You can't do nothing. Remember me tell
What
you
do you think?
And the saltfish thing. Something with them there.
long something in it, you chop up. Nice 2 pieces. And it long and you chop it up. You chop it up, it long, nice 2 pieces. Corolla can't trouble you.
Not even the bench now, Bima. Trench Town. So we're on 5th Street. Yeah, man, this is a can't trouble, man. Once you chop it up, man. Chop up something there. So you're sleeping police on the road now. Yeah. Wow, Rosa, you're a baller, man.
There's a talented place there.
A talented place, man. A baller, man.
Yeah, man. The shoes where you walk.
And me bringing World Cup, you know.
You hear that?
And me bringing World Cup, you know. Them never have no World Cup before, you know. Yeah. And me bring it in the drone and me yard, you know.
You hear that? There's so much talent there. The man who's bringing World Cup. So Ali, so you da play for the World Cup team too?
No, we never play for the World Cup team. We da play for a side for reach the World Cup.
Okay. That's a boy stone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Play for a side for reach the World Cup.
Alright, now win. Action pack. Yeah.
I'm gonna reach up a crossroads, so one lady see me and I say, no, you come in and hide him. I tell her, no. Never.
Never.
No coming on no height.
No coming on no IT.
Never.
Yeah, but liquor. Ali, somebody has shouted up on the building. You have through the window. Trenchtown or Rosa Rose?
No, this is a train here.
Sit down. Oh, man, sit down.
How long now this train in Trenchtown?
Long time in there, man. And me bring it here, you know.
Oh, you bring it for your back?
And me bring them and tow it.
You tow it?
Yeah, from my bicycle. And bring it right
Yo!
Now look boy to them man around the place.
Yeah. The man said tow it.
Fall in
Yeah.
as a youth.
The man said tow it for them bicycle come here.
Yeah.
So right now we look at this action pack. Across from 4th Street. Oh, let me not hear the man. Famous train, you know?
Out another train here we take.
Yeah.
You tell you out and
Train
shit.
to move.
Yeah, to move. And so how long you there, Ali? Only for years though?
Yeah, man. Man say, yo, I got tell. Run out of train. Train our train, man.
Yeah, 4 years. So a train track you used to in
Good life train.
Yeah. So a train track you used to in here?
No train track now in here. Bring that train and come in.
Me bring it on a bicycle.
Yeah. Say I didn't bring it on a bicycle coming. So a whole heap of years that.
Yeah. Oh.
I didn't bring it on a bicycle coming.
I show them the pool, I see the park.
Radman, yeah, man. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that man, it's a good life, I leave for eat now and them things. I eat leaf and them things.
This is
Leaf and them things. Yeah, we don't have nothing to do right now.
This is the Trenchtown Park, where the pool.
Yeah, we just have to get a video.
Yeah, I'm sure the deeper than this.
Yeah, that better than man.
Yes,
Look, the pool look little bit Marvin.
yeah, the pool look little bit. Because when time we younger,
They jump down in it and can't come up.
can't come up and we say, yo, we have to hold on for yes, so.
Yeah, we look at the show me have our life.
But
Me and you.
the pool can still operate back though.
Yeah,
Yo, boy, man.
yeah, man.
Look at you, dead in there.
Okay.
And did have fish in there. And I look at you, come over here and drop off in there. On John. So stick out the water.
Okay.
So nobody over here.
Look at you dead in there. Round and such.
So nobody over here.
And then you start fishing here when
We
I
have
time.
fishing night, man. And we raise fishing night and I look at you, come over here. When I play and drop off in there. Yeah, remember?
And John, man.
And John in there, that's why them take out the water out there.
Okay.
You never have nobody over here.
Nobody.
What?
Yeah,
Listen.
Full it up.
You know, me I do certain river. You know, some always want to keep things.
Cause all the show keeping us as
And you know, so we used to keep a show them, man. You know, so,
Bounty killer, no.
you know, man. You know, me not change that. You know, so me I clean it
All
up.
that part of
Me I clean it
summer
up.
part,
and
yeah.
put it up.
Damage yourself, Ali. See all the stage there? Wilton Park.
Right, if you can look at artist perform and pool party as well. You know, everything there already, man. Yeah, play it up back. I like the boats come deal with it, man.
So from the youth there, everything just kind of lock off.
More than some video thing like this thing. You know,
Yeah.
show us all a month.
So you saw where most of the performance they go on back in the days.
You get a joke, you get a hard thing, it's not really making.
Yeah,
All the double of this, the big double here.
yeah.
Long time I come over, what you say?
Rose and Rose, you never performed on that stage yet.
Them look at things we have in our community. So we have here. Go on, my Jenna. You can keep any big party.
Never see him face, man. The Ras. Yeah, no.
Yo, how do you my Jenna? Up top. Bad yo. They are big brother, man. Pull up and up. When I park, this man the park ever sits still in a truck.
It's a joke. Look on it. Yes, look on it, madam. Not having 200
What's she name?
Pick up yourself, not a good life. Fruits for sale. Yeah. See there?
Take one of them guys.
No, come and get big. Yeah. You know what I mean? I true me get big, man.
No problem because people have growth on my site, you know.
Yeah, and true me did it overseas as well.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, me they go up here a long while.
Very nice.
Alright, then big up yourself, yeah?
Yes, sir. I always look good. Number one and taste better.
You want them key on it. I asked the stage show I used to keep right back top. Ali look like a superstar, you know. Ali look like a real superstar, you know.
Yeah, so it start from football, you know. 2000 same see ball with them can't right with
Coat this.
Big tote this. Yeah, man, a big tote this, man. I want a big tote.
Big up yourself, not a good life,
Big up
man.
myself, Paula.
Are we side the coach?
Town football club.
What, the Premier League side?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm going to come train then, man. You come train?
Yeah, man, you can't come to team, Paula.
Alright, so you know you grab us no game?
Yeah, I tell you what, go. Grabber come out and talk to him, Papa.
Yeah.
Put him in at the talking team.
Yeah.
Not cabinet man, but him have tell you, him a happy now.
Okay. Sanchez. Never know sir you're a coach, man. You come try out, man. Come fit.
So everybody a party, him want to play.
What go on, Sanchez? What go on, Bala? Yeah. Let's go out.
Everybody a party, him want to play.
Yeah.
Everybody, him love him play.
Now forward, come look at game.
Me know them, me know. Robert better than
Enough of them.
Dollar.
Yeah,
Me know Robert better than him, because I'm the best defender.
yeah. Yeah. Because last season, are you that coach them last season too? You know me as strike already. You see what I say? Come boss, I come put in a couple balls and it up there for you.
Yeah.
Oh, press himself.
President.
President. Yeah, the resident.
thing.
Oh, go on. Yeah, man, you know they are going. I like the good life. You see me, I don't with the ball too.
Really? I'm ready, man.
You like it already? I never know the big coaches for Waterhouse. Like, I show the whole. Eh?
There's a water there now.
Yeah, you want the coach. I'm the coach, man. Never change.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, brother.
Yeah, mate, man.
So big up yourself now, because I know mommy I go see you tweet.
Yeah.
So you can send her a big up see you,
Yeah, man. So, what England should I, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes I talk to Chice and tell me, say,
Alright.
him reason they die around him more.
So big up Chice Panic, because
Yeah,
Chice
man.
watch it all the time.
Yeah, man. Respect Chice.
Big up
Most of
yourself.
they are trench town same way. Our place. We not left it and gone away.
Then.
But good to see you, Kimo.
Yeah, man. See you, man. I'm glad for that I see you, man. I like the positivity. You see me understand, because the place nice. Love what you do, hold it down, you know, so.
See, I want to tell you, even though sometimes we have our little challenges, right, you know, we come like the only little safe haven around in a little cut, you know.
Yeah.
All of the other places, them, Denham Town, Tivoli,
Problem.
Jungle, Rose Town, people, Warraguan and people like that, so.
Because us right here, know.
We alone.
Yeah.
We alone, people.
Glad to know that place, so we kind of hold it, you know.
See,
Big up yourself, see, man. I'm going to hold you up in
Yeah,
everything,
man.
yeah? Alright.
Watch I know. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.